Sambasam, Assistant Professor working in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering at SNS College of Technology. I would be welcome you for another session in engineering drawing, especially the continuation of the previous video. In the previous video, we have discussed about the development of lateral surfaces, right? So in this previous video, as a continuation to that, we have discussed about how the simplest projection of prism has to be carried out in the first video. Now we are moving towards how it has to be cut based on the question, then how it has to be drawn. This is the different type of structures we have to clearly understand how it has to be drawn, right? So the development, as I said earlier, the development is about showing the original surfaces or showing the cut surface, how it the remaining surfaces look like when we remove the joints, and we will look at like two-dimensional surfaces, right? So I would like to share the solid software continues to the previous video, right? So as I said that earlier, right? This is the basic surface we have already drawn in the previous class. Now we are moving towards the development of surfaces. So before that, they have given such that it is a cut by a plane whose vertical is inclined at 45° with a reference line and passes through the midpoint of the axis. So as normally said, we have to make the cut section right now. So from this point, we have to understand the midpoint. When this line shows up, the midpoint will automatically show. So from this point, it may be either 70 mm or 80 mm, everything we can able to measure. So from here, the 45 mm angle I have to cut here. Similarly, in opposite direction, we have to draw. Similarly, we can able to get a 70 mm line. So based on our requirement, and minus 135° because we are giving a anti-clockwise direction, right? So anti-clockwise direction is, I need a 45°. So 180 minus 45 is 135°. So when I click this, automatically the surfaces will look like this. So then I like to shade with a different color for clear understanding, because I chosen a red color for clear visibility, right now. And also I have to make this as dotted lines. So cut section lines. So this is how the plane has to be cut, right? So for the development, we have to take the surfaces from here with the trace surfaces from here to different lengths. Similarly, I have to draw one line from here to connect these two, because this is a line we have to draw. From this point of edges to the surface is 30 mm, right? So I have to make 6 surfaces. Now 1, similarly 30, 0, 30, 0, 30. So I have to make ideal 6 surfaces. So each surface is different in colors, right? So I like to give in different colors for clear visibility. So I using here also I using an blue color or something, a color which is easily understandable. Is one is dark color, right? So from this point I have to draw the edge point. I have to draw till up. Similarly, from another edge point I have to draw till up. The surface 2 has to be obtained. Similarly, from this point, another surface has to be drawn. So 1, 2, 3. Again, is this is the fourth surface. Then finally, this is an fifth surface. So total 5 sections, and the 5 different structures has to be drawn, right? As I said earlier, I have drawn the different sizes, right? So now I like to start with A dash, B dash. So similarly, I have to mention this as one, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is again it starts with 1, right? And similarly, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. Again, you have to closure with A. So this is how the 5 surfaces has to be drawn. So I am removing the excess lines for clear understanding, and also removing excess lines, everything has drawn. Now I like to draw the trace line. So everywhere I have to cut. It is a cut section, right? So for clear thing, so I have to draw every point from here. So wherever the cut section has takes place, so I have to draw from here. So I have to draw from this point. Sorry, I'm going to use this trim option. Similarly, I'm going to use trim option for entire end surfaces. So I have to draw a point from here to here with a 0-degree angle. Similarly, a line from all cut sections. So all cut points has to be drawn from here like this. Similarly, this point to this one. Similarly, from this point to this one. Then I am going to use the every option into a trim options, right? So this is how the anti-surface has to be drawn for clearance. Now, where the point meets, that is the important thing. So we have to make this as naming right arm. So this will be your P dash Q, sorry, P dash Q dash R dash. Again, this will be S dash. This will be your T dash. So in this point where the line has to be meet, right, and we have to draw from here. So this will be your P of 1 and this will be your P of 1. So we have to look at the surfaces 3 to C. So 3 to C there will be your R, right. So R1. Similarly, then again D to 4 to D, correct? The 4 to D will be your S of 1. So similarly, then I have to check with another surface, like then this is 1 to A surface, 1 to A P, and 5 to E surfaces will be your T of T dash, sorry, T of 1. Then again, it has to come here, right? And it is again P of 1. Again, this will be your so where it means SS means that E to 4 to 2. Again 2 to B, right? 2 to B is Q. So I have to draw the point from midpoint, right? I forget to draw. So this point has to be drawn. So then I have to draw from, I have to mention this as P Q of 1 or S T1. Then I have to make sure that I have to join these lines as so for that I have to easily, for a clear understanding, I have to trim everything. So how the development has to be done from the end of this point to this point, then again I have to draw to this point, then I have to draw to this point, and I have to draw to S, then T, then R, then lower surface has to be drawn. So now I am going to I'm clicking everything for higher order. So from this point we can able to think this is the final surface, right? So this will be your hard lines, 70 and within different colors. So red color has to be more. Similarly, from line with this 70, so I have to draw from this point to so I am to draw from here. So for the clear understanding, so from this point, so I am to draw the thick line of 750 mm within a red color. So from this point, I have to draw this surfaces to this surface. So similarly, this surface also be get and darken, right? So similarly, from the S surface, I have to draw from S surface. Similarly, from T to S, everything has to be drawn. So this is how the final look has to be carried out. So this is how the final look has been carried out. Hope everybody is understood how the diagram has to be drawn right now. So this is the development of surfaces, how the surface has to be developed and evolved and how it has to be constrained. Thank you for watching this video. I will catch up in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.